Om Guru Ram Namaste. Good morning, all of you. My dear fourth class students. Today discuss about time from your course book. Everybody open your course book, page number 67. Train time. Train time. Page number 67. See, listen carefully. Train time. It's Rohan's last working day before the school closes for Diwali holidays. It is Rohan's last working day before the school closes for Diwali holidays. Rohan is going on a tour to Delhi with his parents for 1 week. Rohan is going on a tour to Delhi with his parents for 1 week. He is very much excited to see the Taj Mahal, Parliament, Red Fort, etc. He is very much excited. He is very much excited to see the Taj Mahal, Parliament, Red Fort, etc. Their trains start at 8 p.m. 8 p.m. PM means post meridian, means night 8 o'clock. Their train is at 8 p.m. Rohan's eyes were on the clock the whole day. Rohan's eyes were on the clock the whole day. Note down the time which reflects Rohan's schedule. See, this is the figures you can write time. First one is school. So Rohan went to a school at 9 a.m. Write down everybody. Rohan went to a school. Time is given here. See, 9 a.m. Write down everybody. 9 a.m. Extra pencil. See, you can write 9 o'clock means AM. Next, there was a recess break yet. Student, here the hours hand lies between 10 and 11. The minutes hand exactly at 9 means 10:45. Write down next one, 10:45. AM. Next, his lunch time starts at, see here, the hour sign lies between 12 and 1 means 12:30. The minutes hand exactly at 6. 6 is multiplied by 5. So you can get 6 5s are 30. Now second one is 10:45 a.m. Next, his lunch time starts at 12:30. So 12:30 afternoon beta, you can write PM. 12:30 PM. Now next, he came home at 4:15 p.m. So you can write here PM. See here, listen carefully everybody. Now next one, see, after coming back from school, he kept looking at the clock. His father told him that there are still 2 hours for them to start home. After 2 hours means he come back from the school means 4:15. 4:15 after 2 hours means you can add 2 hours. So 6:15 p.m. See here, what time will they start from home to the station? 6:15 p.m. Then you can write next one, 6 hours 15 minutes, 6:15 p.m. Write down everybody. Next, after reaching the station, they waited for the train to arrive. The train came 20 minutes late. What time did the train arrive? Actually, the train is at 8 p.m. Okay? So 10 minutes late. 20 minutes late beta. 20 minutes late means 7:40. Oh, wait. 20 minutes, the train came 20 minutes late. Actually, the time is 8 p.m., 8 o'clock in the night. But 20 minutes late means 8:20. So then you can write it here, 8:20 p.m. Actually, that the train is at 8 p.m. but 20 minutes late. Then you can write 8:20 p.m. 8:20 p.m. So now next, duration of time, page number 68. See, once again I can show. Write down everybody. First one is 9 a.m. Second one is 10:45 a.m. Next one is 12:30 p.m. That is the lunch. Next, he came home at 4:15 p.m. Next, so 6:15 p.m. Next, 8:20 p.m. Now next one, page number 68, duration of time. See, listen carefully. Duration of time. See here, Ritish, come inside now, take a bath and start doing homework. Did you understand? Ritish, come inside now, take a bath and start doing homework. Called Ritish's mother when he was playing outside. When outside ఆడుకున్నప్పుడు వాళ్ళ అమ్మ ఏం చేసింది, పిలిచింది. Coming ma'am, replied Ritesh. So Ritesh ఏం చేశాడు? కమింగ్ మ్యామ్, సో లోపలికి వస్తున్నానని చెప్పాడు. రితేష్, ఇట్స్ 6:30 నౌ. 6:30 నౌ. యు ఆర్ సపోజ్డ్ టు స్టార్ట్ యువర్ homework by 6 p.m. Advised Ritesh mother. For how much time did I play today? Asked Ritesh. See here, Ritesh, it's 6:30 now. 6 hours 30 minutes. 6:30 now. You are supposed to start your homework by 6 p.m. ఒకవేళ నువ్వు 6 p.m. కి హోంవర్క్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తే, see, to start your homework by 6 p.m. Advise this mother. For how much time did I play today? Asked Ritesh. You played for 2 hours today. ఎన్ని గంటలు ఆడుకున్నాడు? So you played for 2 hours today, replied his mother. See here. So he came back from school at 4 o'clock. He can play 4 to 6. Now you can start the homework 6 p.m. Then you can play to 2 hours, 4 to 6. See here. Oh, it is. How did you calculate the time, mom? Asked Ritesh. His mother explained him how to calculate time. Let us also learn to calculate time duration or time period. Our activities are estimating using time. Our activities are estimating using time. Activities of very short time are measured in seconds. Activities very short time are measured in seconds, and activities of very long time are measured in hours. చాలా తక్కువ టైం అయితేనేమో సెకండ్స్లో మెజర్ చేస్తాము, లాంగ్ అయితేనేమో అవర్స్లో మెజర్ చేస్తాము. సో లెట్ us see one example now. See here, Vinod's school starts at 8:30 a.m. So Vinod's school starts at 8:30 a.m. Ante-meridian. PM means post meridian. So midnight 12 o'clock to forenoon 12 o'clock is called as AM beta. So afternoon 12 o'clock to midnight 12 o'clock you can say PM. PM means post meridian, AM means ante-meridian. Now here, Vinod's school starts at 8:30 a.m. and stays open for 7.5 hours. See here, stays open for 7.5 hours. 7.5 hours means 7 hours 30 minutes. 7 hours 30 minutes. So it can be written as 7 hours 30 minutes. 7 hours 30 minutes. What time will the school be closed yet? మరి స్కూల్ ఎప్పుడు ఎండ్ చేస్తారు మనకు కావాలి కదా. సే వెరీ ఈజీ టు క్యాలిక్యులేట్. లిజన్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. See here, school starts at 8:30 a.m. 8 hours 30 minutes in the morning a.m. Which is 8 hours 30 minutes. In it, 8 hours 30 minutes M-I-N. 8 hours 30 minutes. It's stay open for 7.5 hours. Which is 7.5 hours means 7.5 hours. Already I told. 7 hours 30 minutes. 7.5 hours means 7 hours, half an hour. Half an hour means 30 minutes. So 7.5 hours, which is 7 hours 30 minutes. We need to add 8 hours 30 minutes and 7 hours 30 minutes. So first let us add 8 hours, 30 minutes and 7 hours first. First 8 hours. So this is shortcut. 8 hours, 30 minutes. So this is the school opening time plus 7 hours. See here, 8 hours plus 7 hours plus 30 minutes. 30 minutes. See here, 8 hours plus 7 hours, you can get 15 hours plus 30 minutes. See what we get. So 15 hours plus 30 minutes. Again, you can add 30 minutes. Now add 7:30, no? See here, 7 hours 30 minutes, again 30 minutes add to it. Now add 30 minutes to it. 30 minutes to it. So 15 hours plus 30 minutes plus 30 minutes. We listen carefully, beta. 15 hours plus 30 minutes, you can get 60 minutes. Plus 60 minutes. Here 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. Then you can write here 15 hours plus 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour plus 1 hour. Then you can write, since 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes or 16 minutes is equals to 1 hour. 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. So that is equals to 16 hours. 16 hours. The school will be closed at 16 hours. 16 hours means 16 hours it can be written as 12 plus 4. 12 plus 4. The school closed at 4 p.m. 4 p.m. Now next write down here. The school will be closed at 16 hours. Usually we use 12 hours clock. Usually we use a 12-hour clock. So 16 hours it can be written as 12 plus 4 hours. 12 hours plus 4 hours. So the school works up to 4 p.m. post meridian. Did you understand? Now next, past, present, future time. Past, present, future time. See here, page number 69. past, present, future time. Rahul is going to play cricket with his friends. Rahul is going to play cricket with his friends. While going, he looked at the clock and observed that the time is 5 o'clock. Time is 5 o'clock. So 5 o'clock. He wants to play cricket for 1.5 hours. What time will he come back home after playing cricket? See, 5 o'clock. So 1.5 hour means 30 minutes. So you can add it 6:30 p.m. 6.5 hour means 6:30 p.m. Did you understand? See here 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock means that is evening time. 5 p.m. So next he wants to play cricket for 1.5 hour. So now add it. 1.5 hour means 1 hour 30 minutes. So 1 hour 30 minutes added to 5 o'clock, you can get 6:30 p.m. 1 hour after 5 o'clock is 6 o'clock. Half an hour after 6 o'clock is 6:30. So he will came home at 6:30. If he came from school 1 hour ago, what time did he come home? So 1 hour before means 1 hour before 5 o'clock. 1 hour before 5 o'clock. So means you can get 4 o'clock. So he came from school at 4 o'clock. ఎన్ని గంటలకు వచ్చాడు స్కూల్కి? తిరిగి 4 o'clock వచ్చాడు. So he came from school at 4 o'clock. Rahul's father comes home from office at 7 o'clock every day. రాహుల్ వాళ్ళ నాన్నగారు ఇంటికి ఎప్పుడు వస్తున్నారు? డైలీ 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock p.m. that is. But he came 30 minutes late today. కానీ ఈరోజు 30 minutes late వచ్చాడు. ఎన్ని గంటలకు వచ్చారు? 7:30. So what time did Rahul's father come home from office? 7 o'clock and half an hour is. So 7 o'clock. That is the time exactly. But today he came late, 30 minutes late. Means you can add 30 minutes to 7. So 7:30 p.m. 7 o'clock and half an hour. So that is what we get better, 7:30 p.m. 7 o'clock and half an hour. Is ఏమవుతుంది బేటా? 7:30 p.m. So Rahul goes bed at 10 o'clock. Rahul goes to bed at 10 o'clock. ఎన్ని గంటలకు వెళ్తాడు? 10 o'clock వెళ్తాడు. He slept 15 minutes early today. ఈ రోజు ఒక 15 నిమిషాల ముందే పడుకున్నాడు. Means at what time did he sleep? 15 minutes less than 10. 15 minutes less than 10 o'clock. Less than 10 means less than 10 o'clock. Means ఏమవుతుంది నాన్న? 9:45. Okay, so what is time here? 9:45 p.m. Now how much time does Rani need? See here, how much time does Rani need? Rani can swim across the swimming pool in her school in 4 minutes 46 seconds. 4 minutes 46 seconds. In how many seconds she do it? So minutes is converted into seconds, means minutes is multiplied by 60, you can get seconds, because 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So here 4 minutes that is equals to 4 into 60 seconds, because 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds better. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So 4 into 60, 4 6 are 240, 4 6 are 24, 0. So 4 into 60, you can get 240 seconds. So here, so 4 minutes, remaining how many seconds? 46 seconds. Add it. So 4 minutes, instead of 4 minutes, you can write 240 seconds plus remaining 46 seconds. See here, 240 ka beta, 240. Remaining how many seconds are there? 46 seconds are there. So 46 seconds is added to 240. So add it. See 0 plus 6, 6, 4 plus 4, 8. So to 286 seconds. 286 seconds. Now next, calendar, 2019 calendar given. See here, page number 70. Let us learn to read a calendar now. The calendar shows the days of the weeks and months of the year. We can find the date of a particular day of a particular month by seeing the calendar. The calendar for the year 2019-18 given below. So this is 2019 calendar, beta. See here, 2019 is given here. What? 2020. Some of the books 2020, some of the books 2020. So see here, some of the books given here 2020 and some of the books given 2019 calendar. So I can explain, listen carefully. See here, January, February, March, April to December. So dates is given, once you check it. See here, 15th January, Tuesday, Pongal. 26th January, Saturday, Republic Day. 4th March, Monday, Mahashivaratri. March 21, 21st, Thursday, Holi. Next April 6th, Ugadi. Next April 13th, Saturday, Ramanavami. April 14th, Sunday, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's birthday. Correct? Next Friday, April 19th, Friday, Good Friday. May 1st, Wednesday, May Day. June 5th, Wednesday, Eidul Fitr. Next August 12th, Monday, Bakrid. Next August 15th, Thursday, Independence Day. August 23rd, Friday, Sri Krishna Janmashtami. September 1st, Sunday, Muharram. September 2nd, Monday, Ganesh Chaturthi. October 2nd, Wednesday, Mahatma Gandhi. See here. Okay, this is 2019 calendar. So 2000, according to 2019, I can explain. So some of the books given 2020 calendar. See here, listen. 2019 calendar beta. This is now October 2nd, Wednesday, Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti. October 8th, Tuesday, Dasara. October 27th, Sunday, Diwali. November 10th, Sunday, Milad Unnabi. November 12th, Tuesday, Guru Nanak's birthday. Next December 25th, Wednesday, Christmas Day. See, this is 2019 calendar. Okay, some of the books given 2020 calendar. So now I am explaining 2019 calendar. See, 8th August. Now here the first start from Thursday 2000 according to 2019 calendar. Which days occur 5 times in this month? So which days occur 5 times in this month? That is Thursday, Friday and Saturday occur 5 times in month. Next, on which day does August 15th fall? According to 2019 calendar, it is on Thursday. Next, what is the last day in August? The last day in August is Saturday. Saturday is 31st August. Next, 2016 was a leap year since February has 29 days. When in the next leap year? So, as leap year comes once every 4 years. The next leap year 2016 after 2020. Next, how many Tuesdays are there in the month of August? There are 4 Tuesdays in the month of August. This is 2019 calendar beta. Now I can explain 2020 calendar. Listen carefully. This is 2020 calendar. This is 2019 calendar. So now I can explain 2020 calendar. See here, which day occurs 5 times in this month? So 2020 calendar, Sunday, Monday, Saturday occur 5 times in this month. Next, on which day does 15th August fall on? So where? On, it is on a Saturday. Next, what is the last day in August? The last day in August is a Monday. Next, 2020 was a leap year since February has 29 days. When the next leap year? So, 2024. How it is possible? So, leap year comes every 4 years. So, 2020 plus 4, you can get 2024. As the leap year comes once every 4 years, the next leap year is in 2024. How many Tuesdays are there in the month of August? There are 4 Tuesdays in the month of August. Now next, number of days between any 2 given dates. Now okay, see here, listen carefully. Number of days between any 2 given dates. How many more days are there for birthday? Asked Reshmi. Your birthday is on June 29th. Today is June 8th. You can calculate the number of days and tell me. Suggest her mother. Reshmi started counting the days 9, 10, 11 till to 29. But her mother asked her to subtract this like only. So 29 minus 8. 29 minus 8, you can get 21 days. So there are still 21 days till my birthday, said Reshmi. Now next, Suresh, summer holidays start from 24th April and end 12th June. What is the duration of his summer holidays? Number of holidays in April. This is listen carefully, beta. See here, number of holidays in April. That is equals to 20 minus 30 minus 23, you can get 7 days. 7 days. So 24th is a holiday, so do not subtract. So 30 minus 23, you can get 7 days. Number of holidays in May. That is equals to 31 days. Number of holidays in June. That is 12 days. So the duration of Suraj summer holidays is equals to 7 days plus 31 days plus 12 days. You can get 50 days. 50 days. Okay. Today our class is completed. Thank you everybody.